Hi there, Bobby here from the Business Directory plugin. This video will explain how to install the plugin on your WordPress website. Let's get started. The easiest way to install the plugin is to go to our installation guide, where we created a form to simplify the process for you. I've included that link in the description below. On our site, enter the website address where you want your directory installed and add your email address. Email address you enter will receive our short email course on how to build a great directory. Finally, click Get Business Directory Lite now. You will be redirected to your site where you can log in if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you can read the Business Directory plugin description. When you're ready to install, in the bottom right, you can click the Install Now button. Click Activate Plugin to complete the process. At the top of the page, you can click this button to create the required page for the directory and you're all set. Click on this link to view the directory on your site, and you can begin adding listings right away. Congratulations! Business Directory plugin is now installed, and you're ready to get started with configuration. Be sure to check out our quick start guide for your next steps. You'll find a link to that in the description below. And for more helpful content, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.